A classic story of spiraling out over your partner's ex. That's exactly what's happening in brand new film Basic, and we spoke with the stars involved with the project on the South by Southwest red carpet.
What does it mean for you to be here at South by?
So, funny enough, my first time that I was invited here was for this movie called The Outpost in 2020. And 3 days before he came out, it got shut down because of COVID. So 6 years later, I'm finally coming back with the most amazing crew of people. Austin is the most insane, wonderful city, and this crowd loves comedy. They're smart, they're really funny, and I think they're going to get this one.
I love it.
South by is my favorite film festival.
Yeah.
I mean, straight up, that's it. It's the people are chill and they're friendly, and I don't know if that's a Texas thing or I don't know if that's a South by thing, but I feel the most love from this film festival in general, and that makes me really happy. You know?
Overdue.
Overdue. Come
Overdue. I'm really happy to be here.
Very good. Well, welcome to Austin. We're happy to have you.
It's everything, man. This is my first movie ever.
Wow.
So I'm excited. I'm nervous. And it means a lot.
Oh my gosh, I haven't been at this before, so I am beyond excited. I'm over the moon.
I love it.
It's so exciting because the whole cast is here. We had so much fun. We shot this movie in Birmingham, Alabama. We've been hanging out the whole time in LA since. But now we're all back in one place again, so it's just back with all the besties, eating tacos all week. What more could you want?
Oh, it means so much. I love this place. This is my second time here. I think it's the most fun festival, hands down. So, but getting to be here with people that I really love, that I knew before this movie happened, in a place that I know is going to love this movie and really enjoy the art that my friends have made. It makes it the perfect place.
It means so much. Chelsea Devontes and I have been working together since we were in our early 20s, and we've worked together on a lot of projects. And so getting to be on this journey with her has been so special. It means a lot to me.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.